And that's San Miguel, no? San Miguel building. And this is the view of your condo unit. What's up, guys? This is Pau Salud, and I'm gonna show you the 2-bedroom unit here at the Grand Midori in Ortigas. Ito yung view. Alright, pasok tayo sa loob. Nagsimula lang tayo sa balcony. And ito kagad yung shoe rack, cabinet, and there's a table here. Oops. Hey guys. Okay. Yung kitchen area. Let's go to the kitchen. Cabinet. This is your living. Ganda. Tapos meron ding balcony to. Try to open, but later na lang. May balcony yung yung room. That's the tower 2. Okay, and let's go here. 2 bedroom, so meron tayong para sa washing machine to. Let's look at the toilet first. Toilet. Nice. First room for your son or daughter. There's cabinet included. Cabinet. Malaki na rin. So yeah, and that one, ito tayo nang galing kanina. We'll go there. We'll start and end there. So, ayun. Okay, this is your master's bedroom. We're gonna go there later. Pakita ko pa na sa inyo yung cabinet. Ito, malaki-laki ito ha. And the toilet. Alright. And syempre, ready na ba kayo sa balcony ulit? Let's go to the balcony. Woo! That's Ayala right there. Alright, so if you wanted to see this yourself, you can contact me, Pau Salud, 0917-681-8692. If you want to see and have a tour here. Pati ibang property nila ng Federal Land, pwede natin i-tour. Very nice view. Hey, that's Mega Mall, I think. Yeah, that's Mega Mall right there.